Guys, today we are opening a HP 23-inch VX IPS monitor and 58.4 centimeter. I think it's a good budget monitors. So we are going to unbox it. Hey Ryan, do you like to unbox it today? Okay, let's do it together.
Yes, do it.
Let's open it. Can do it? Yeah, fine. Let's do it. Okay. It's open. Good job. Let's do it. Let's open it. Open it here. Punch it here. Yes. Yes. Oh, good. Good. Open it. Good job. Let's open it. Yep.
Wow.
Cool. Isn't it cool, Ryan?
Yes.
Oh, nice. What's this? It's a catalog. Huh? That's it. It's a catalog. How to do it, huh? How to fix it. Okay. What's up next? Some carton. Huh? Oh, some tools are here. Okay, Ryan, just get back a bit, please. Okay. Pull it. Yes. There is some tools like we found here. There is a cable. It's a HDMI cable. Nice. And this is a power cord. And there's a VGA cables. And these charger. Okay, nice. We're all here. Ryan's grandfather is also here. Ryan is here. Me is here. So this is the base. Okay, just open it, Ryan. Could you please open it? Yep, let's open it. This is the base. Open, nice. Oh, this is the base. Okay, then please open it for me. Okay. Oh, nice. Good job. Yep. Okay, let's keep it here. Oh, there's a CD, huh? Installation CDs here. Okay, we just going to open the monitor. Here's the monitor. Okay, Ryan, this is the monitor. Okay, it's just leave it here, no problem. This is cost. This is monitor, no?
This is monitor.
What is this, Ryan? Is this monitor?
No.
Yes. This is monitor. You can play video games here, no problem. This is a HP 23VX IPS monitor, 23-inch LED backlit. This is. So there is a button, 3 buttons. I think you can see it as well. And the border is here. You're making laughing, huh, Ryan? And this is the back side of the monitor. Thanks. Okay, let's run it.
Yes.
Yep, this is my old monitor. I need to replace it right now. It was a Dio. It's my golden monitor. Came from New York. So let's replace it. Please, Ryan, could you please keep the video for me? I'm going to replace my monitor with the new one. Okay, just keep it here. New one, and I need to put this here and make sure all the power is okay. So this is the adapter here. I need to put this adapter right this way, and these are the DVA cables. I need to unwrap it. Ryan is doing the unwrapping part. Very hard task for me. Please, Ryan, open it. Yeah, nice. You like this job, huh?
Yes.
Me too, but I have to hold the camera for you. Ran and me holding camera for each other. Can you make it?
Yes.
Yeah, you're doing it so nicely and so precisely, you know. You like work. Okay, just open this cap, Brian.
Cat.
Yeah, this cap. Yeah, this is a nice HDMI cable. So I need to push this HDMI cable here, right here. One is here. Yep. So I have put the HDMI cable here. Now let me clear a bit. I put this HDMI cable here. GVI is empty, slot is empty, and a VGA cable and the power adapter. And another part of the HDMI here. I put it here. Okay, here is the HDMI cable, and here. So let's fire it up. Yes, Ryan? Are you going to run it? Well, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's cheers. I just on my main power, main switch, and multi-plug switch, and let's on it. Yes, Ryan. Let's fire it up.
Yeah.
Fire it up. Say is DVI no signal. Searching HDMI DVI no signal.
Yeah, when daytime I'll launch this two monitor parallelly. This one is HP 23VX and this is normal casual laptops. You know, you can see my shadows right behind it, and it is not anti-reflection. But this monitor, this 20-inch 23VX is anti-reflection. You don't find any reflection here. But this monitor,
HP 23 VX, there is no negative out here. This laptop also have no negative output here. And if you need to know anything about this unboxing, please inform us or like and share my videos. So thanks for watching.